Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to the Pig Latin Translator project. This project is going to be a load of fun and is going to tie together a lot of what we've learned in the past few sections nicely into one project. In this lecture, we're going to have a quick look at what Pig Latin is, and we're also going to see what to expect from the project. So by the end of this lecture, you should have a good understanding of what the project is, how we're going to tackle it, and you should have some idea about how what we've learned about loops, data structures, strings and logic might all fit in. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, what the heck is Pig Latin? Well, Pig Latin is a simple joke language, it's imaginary, that makes regular words hard to understand. So let me give you some examples. If you had the word pig, that would become igpe, right? If you had the word happy, that would become apihe. If you had the word duck would become ukde. And if you had the word glove, that would become uvgle. And things like that. So it just makes words sound a bit more confusing than they otherwise would be. So basically the way that it works is you take the first few consonants, the first consonant cluster of a word, and you move those to the end of the word. So GL goes to the end. Okay? Then you add the word AY, the sound A to the end. So like if we had pig, right? What's the set of consonants, right? We've just got the letter P, right? So that becomes, we basically take P and move it to the end, ig, p, and then you add A, igpe. Simple, right? So that's if it starts with a consonant. But if the word begins with a vowel, right, then you simply just add yay to the end, right? So that's easy enough, right? If you had apple would become apple yay. If you had eat, that becomes eat yay. Okay, so now with those two simple rules, we want to build a program that will ask a user for a sentence and then convert the entire sentence into Pig Latin. Cool, right? So let's plan out our program now using Python comments, as there's quite a lot to do to make this work. So I'm going to go ahead now and create a script. I'm going to go File, New File, Save, Desktop, Python Bible, and I'm just going to call it pig.py. Okay, save, maximize it, and we are good to go. So let's plan out our program now. First of all, we're going to need to ask the user for a sentence, right? So get sentence from user. Then we're going to need to split that sentence up into individual words. So we're going to split sentence into words. Now we're going to loop through all of those words and convert them into Pig Latin. Loop through the words and convert to Pig Latin. Okay. Then we're going to stick those words back together into a sentence. And finally, we want to output the final string. Okay, so that's the general model that I'm going with and what we're going to follow as we go through making this project. Now, you should immediately start noticing some opportunities to use lists and for loops to make this whole project come to life, as well as a few string methods. Now that you have an idea about what the project is, let's get building it. For that, I'll see you in the next video.